Okay guys, welcome to this wonderful video. So this is a position where we want to plant this our suckers. So here, this is a solution that I have made to treat the sucker. And while treating the sucker, I have to just soak this sucker into the solution and allow the sucker to soak the solution very well. Then this is a position where we are going to plant this our wonderful sucker. So this position here, you can see this hole. These are a position of organic manure. There are a lot of grass that I've cleared and put inside here, and it has get rotten. So that is what we are going to plant this our sucker. So after we have treated this sucker with our solution, we just have to plant the sucker. We have to make sure it is straight. Then we just have to cover it. You have to make sure that it's straight. So that is it that we have covered. So we now have to use our solution, our bowl of solution, and pour it around. So that is how you are supposed to do. But if you want to transplant it, nurse it in bags before planting it, then good for you. But this my sucker is already big. You can see the shape of the sucker is big, and we believe that this sucker can grow very well. That is why we just have to plant it directly so that the sucker can continue growing. In the days ahead, I will be showing you guys how the process, how the suckers is growing. So let's go and plant the next one. So we will remove 2 suckers. This is the next. So this other position, this is where we are going to plant the other sucker. So the first thing we are going to do, you just have to put the sucker inside our bowl of solution so that the sucker can be well treated. After putting, we have to plant. So this is a position. You can see the soil is all organic. It's all organic. There is compost manure. So we have to put, this hole is very deep down, so we just have to put, dealing only with organic manure. So after we have planted like this, so the next step, just as we did to the first one, we just have to use our organic manure and put it. Then we can water it, add more water to it. Can continue to water very well so that the sucker will not suffer from drought or anything. So thank you guys for watching. I just want you to subscribe, share the video if you like, put your comment, ask your question. I shall see you in my next video. So thank you guys for watching.